Okie dokes, everybody. Good morning, and it's your boy Dave coming back at you live. It is a happy, wonderful Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fantastic night of sleep, and here we are for another brand new trading day. Let's get started here with our stock market news, and then we'll jump into our watch list. We got the Dow Jones Industrial Average keeps on heading higher. Now, Tuesday, the blue chip index reached new highs, advancing 1.85% to close at 40,954. Not only did the index hit all-time high and a fresh record close, but it also saw its best session since June 2023. The other two major indexes also closed the session higher. The S&P gained, and the Nasdaq Composite increased. What's more, the small cap focus Russell 2000 also saw its fifth straight day of gains, rising more than 3% in session. So right now in pre-market, it's been pretty slow here with the small caps. Let's get into the watch list, starting off with number one gainer, ADTX. All right, so ADTX right now is sitting at 261. You got a nice breakout here at $3 earlier, and we did hit up to 335. So ADTX, that one was a winning trade of the morning. Right now it's all the way down to 261. So we're waiting for that nice VWAP roll here. Looks like it's holding out the 89 EMA on ADTX, or you might want to double check to see if that 89 EMA is actually 89 EMA. Yeah, it's around the 89 EMA. Sometimes trade ideas might give a different indication, but right now that 89 EMA is your hero support level. We want to see if it's going to be able to get back above that 275 and then to the VWAP at 287 currently. So really pretty much waiting for the VWAP roll for Mr. ADTX. So let's take a look here now onto the company here itself, ADTX. Okay, this one is a USA biotech company. All right, so 2 million in float, and they come out with a merger agreement news targeting September 30th closing. Okay, so we have that press release. All right, moving forward, we got GDTC. This is currently trading at $2.30 mark here, up about 18%. Not a whole lot of volume. We're waiting to see if we can get some more volume here kicking in and get up above that VWAP. So very flat trading right now. Singapore biotech company, 4.7 million float. They did come out with a brand new press release acquiring cord blood banking license and assets to entrench its strategy in allogenic off-the-shelf donor-derived. So that's the press release here this morning. We need to get back above that VWAP. And then you got the LGVN here as well, trading at 422. Okay, 422 here on LGVN, but 445 earlier was a great trade and got up to $5. So $5 obviously was a very strong resistance. Same thing here. We just need a nice candle break to happen here on LGVN above the VWAP. USA Biotech Company, 4 million float. And then, you got the other two names, LCFY here as well. Currently the top third gainer was looking for 735 break. Didn't happen yet. So waiting to see if we can get that nice spike here into the market opening on LCFY. This is also a low float stock here. Anything over 10 million float, you guys know, Australian internet content company under 1 million float. All right. I don't see any new news this morning on LCFY, but looking pretty good. Market is going to open up here in 25 seconds. Last but not least, I have VCNX on the watch list. Currently nowhere to be seen on the top gainers list, but if we see VCNX get some more volume later down the road, I'd like to see this thing going for a nice little trade. So USA Biotech Company at a under 1 million float. So once again, low float, super micro float. We'll see if that's going to get a VWAP roll. Markets open. Let's have a great day. AQ cracked this trend line, so it is downtrending. But we could probably look for a uptrend reversal here now that it's just been downtrending here into market opening. So LCFY number one gainer or number one watch here, number one play. If we can get this nice 735 out of the way, which we are. 815 is the up pull right now, guys. So this is my top play here right now on LCFY. So 735 and got a new spike. We can hold above 735 here. That would be amazing.
HYSR, GFS, LRHC West, GFS, DJT, CGC, HUD, MXL, MXL, ALT, MXL, ZAP, APBO, AREB.
Side watch would be LPA if you guys like those $30 plus range stocks or 20 plus. But right now, LCFI looks to be the most promising one. 4.6 million in volume traded now. Okay, so looking like you know, pretty slower day. Markets are red. I'm taking it easy. I had to go to the doctors yesterday. I've been feeling a little dizzy, lightheaded. So I'm feeling like that here going into today's trading day. So I'm gonna try to take it easy and not do anything crazy. But LCFY is bringing the heat at the moment. So we want to see a new high of day here. Now to get a double top. Let's push it up. 815 up pull here on LCFY. 815 up pull.
GFS.
Okay, so NQ still going on a downtrend. Nice lower highs and lower lows.
GFS, LCFY.
Okay, LCFY, another new high of the day. 815 still the high of the day. Our up pull showing. Now Dow Jones is the only one that's up right now in the indices. NQ's trying to figure out how much further it's going to go right now on the 5-minute chart. We're almost there down to the oversold territory, so we'll see how much further it can go down.
BRPX.
At 9:35, we have the FOMC member Waller speaking.
UPST. SWR. AMIX, LGBN, LPSN, LCFY, BLNK, LNDB, and RBNCBGC.
823 up pull now. LCFY lock some in. 823 up pull now. This is our number one watch. No one should be talking about anything else right now unless LCFY dies. This is the top play. Okay, here we go. Nice higher low, 735 new high of the day. Our support, 823 up pull, looking good. Nice green candlesticks, all of them since market opening, and I know right on 10 EMA. So we'd like to see that $8 mark.
GFS. Chart. SPWR. UNC1. SPC. MXL. HLNKLA. AMSC. OKL. LCFY. EVGO.
Okay, $8. Here we are. 831 up pull. 831 up pull. And Q has 17 seconds left until the 5-minute chart candle closes, and then it'll probably, you should see the there it is, oversold territory now. Just hit there. Okay. I'm getting a nice bounce spike right now on NQ ever since hitting that oversold territory. Just hit into the 25 on the 1 and almost into 14 on the 5. We got 840 up pulp now on LCFY, looking good. You want to use now obviously the whole number, whole $8 as your support, or wait for the first red candle to form.
MXL. HNST, 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 HUYA, PHUN, NKLA, PTPI, GFS, GFS, MXL, LPSN, MXL, ALNSPWR, LBO,
861 up pulp, $8 support.
ALCN, MIPR, UPST, M, Saga, DJT, CSLR, ARBK, MORF, M, ARBK, DAS, ACCS, GFAI, CGC, LMND, BTNR, LUNR, DAS, MXL, GFS, BLNK, M, CGBS, EVGL, CRSP. SPWR.
Okay, or now you have LCFY back below $8, but that's okay. 10 EMA still holding. NQ, we're down 360 points today, guys. So it's been on the decline, but we'll see how much it can bounce since we're in the oversold territory. Did get a pretty really nice bounce here to the 14 EMA, but straight back down again.
Fine.
So the first 15 minutes into the market opening on NQ is going to be very volatile. So sometimes if you feel like you're getting stopped out, perhaps it's time to take a little step back off on that first 15 minutes. Might make another new low of the day here on NQ at this rate. There it is, another new low of the day. LCFY looking good. Still looking for that 10 EMA bull flag now.
MXL.
It's like kind of hovering around that $8 level still, so it's good.
MXL, LPSN, UPST. FLNC. RSI. BLNK. APPL. LMNT, ABGL. ATVR, AMSC, NOS. LBO, GFAI. RTTT, RSI. Levi. AREB. DAB. IGR. Tango. LBO, MXL. OKL, HUNA. Fine, HUD. APBL, CMNT. CMNT. HNST, BLNK. GFAI, MMMT. AIK. LMNT. ILPT, ILP2. SHIM. ARBK, ARBK. TKLM. HNST. HNST, HNST. DAS.
Okay, Penny made bull flag, still looking for this setup here on LCFY.
Auto, RXT. RXT. BTR, NCZ. IGR. Gamma. HWBC. HNST. HWBC. HNST. HNST. HNSTO. SNOA. LCFY. PET.
Okay, here we go, folks. LCFY. Nice 10 EMA bull flag popping on up to new high day now. And then got a new high day, but be careful. 869 is up halt. We're back below 8. So this might be the death candle here. Just watch out.
BSM. DAS.
That was a quick spike on up to new high today.
SHIM. ASLN. AHAM. ACMR.
Okay, huge wick down right now. The body's not cracking on AQ on the pink deadline, so watching for a potential reversal again. If it does get the body holding above the pink deadline right now on stocks, since LCFY is coming down, we could look for a brand new different stock that could be on the revival. I'm thinking maybe ADTX at the VWAP roll, but just lacking volume across the board. You have Shim. I didn't put this on the watch list, but we have a play for this at 325. So if Shim ever does get to that breaking point, that I'll look to play it, but it is getting close. Like trying to do this VWAP roll here. So Shim VWAP roll. It's worth mentioning here. Yeah, 325. It's got ways to go. So 354 up halt. I think traders are looking for that next runner. NQ, no signs of slowing down here still.
RSP. BLNK. RPAY. AMIX. UPST.
Yeah, just too much resistance here in the VWAP still on Shim.
HNST, HNST, HNSLN, SNOA. LMNT. EFC, BERB. Warren. AN. ARR, Silo. OKLO. BLCO. DX, Brad. CRSP, EVGL, ACCT. EXPI, ARW, EYEN. AMIS, UPST, RPAY. DM, MNMT, NOS. MORM.
LCFY is trying again. So let's see if it gets that nice continued higher lows. I'm gonna watch him on the side though.
RBNC.
Again, the previous breakout point is a great entry point as always.
Level West. BK. FL. AMBS. ZIM. AMSC. Echo. BK. EXPI. EYEN. Fund. CRNR. ARR. EXPI. BWSCO. NCZ. AMIX. EBS. MORM. FGEN. HUNA. MNMT. West Northwest. GCT. MP. RBNC. WAFD. WAFD. CRSP. Bradley. FL.
Okay, LCFY moving back up to $8.
ARR. ESCO. SNOA. EBS. WAFD. TKWAFD. RPAY Northeast. MIGI. 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 RBNC. LMNT. SDIG. ASPN. WAFT. ACCD. BLNK. MTANL. APBO. FL. SG. Oust. BK. MIGI.
Accomplish. What is this right here?
All. EFC. IPR. BTNR. WWEFC. NRDY. BLCO. ARR. RPAY. MPOWW.
Affiliate status. I'm not sure what this is. What broker is it? Accomplish. Just curious, what broker is that?
SPC, AMSC, BDRB, LMNT, BSCO, ACCT, Tango, BLNK, ESPI, IBR, ASPN, OKLO, QURE, CRSP, Levi, Zim, HP, FGWW, INMD, BGO, BTCIG, Warren, RPAY, MIGI, MP, ALT, HP, PHUMNE, ARR, HNST, CENS, MIGI, BK, BTNR, DUC, MXL, BSCO, MP, 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 BLCO, ACCT.
Okay, so we got $8, big strong resistance right now on LCFY. And Q still not a single green candlestick on the 5-minute chart.
UWMARBK, DX, ADNT, MXINFT, MXL, BTNR, Levi, UPST, WAMARBK, ARBK, MXL, RSIR, CRK, EYEN, GCT, RNA, HIBB, MMMT, Faust, LMND, SKIG, SG, KBH, EHEO, HWC, MIGI, MIGL, CHWC, IGR, APPO, ASPN, and DGHI, OPI, OPI. FL. LPSL. AP, AP, INMT, AOIS, Levi, AP, LPSN, edit, LPSN, LPSN, ADNT, PTLO, IRBT, NNOX, AQST, SIGR, EYEN, WAAI, WAFD, RPAY, KRO, SFIN, RNLMNT, WAFD, KBHGO, UPSTDR, SVGS, BSCO, LRHC, EYEN, CSIQ, AP, Lucy, MNMD, HNST, Tango, AKRO, FL, TBPK, ASPN, EYEN, Riley, CSLR, HNST, NOS, GCT, BTNR, NA, MAPS, TUB, SOS, APBO, DNT, QURE, Faust, BTDR, AQST, BSCO, FGEN, MNDGHI, RDDT, WAFD, RBRK, MRUS, FGEN. GCT. HOPI, edit. OPI, OPI, WAMD, NTLA. Bill. Riley. WAMD. ZIM, EFC. WTI, WTI.
Hey, LCFI going on up here. Still waiting for that $8 roll.
No. AT&T, Prime ACFT, RPAY, GCT. Town. Sun, SMR. HNST. RDDT.
Okay, waiting for the next new setup on LCFY. I'm looking for that solid $8 break.
HNST. MORF. HNST. RBAY, FOSL, SG, ESNL. Five. RBLB, Town. AIE. UPI. Town. FL. Reno, FFWM. WAFT. ESCO.
Okay, watch LCFY. It's our only play here this morning.
SNL. No. NTLA. FL. RL.
Looking good, looking good. 864 up halt. Okay, we got this $8 that needed to hold, but we got the target right and back down to where the first play was. So our high today is 845 from the $8. But $8 need to hold, and now we're back down to the support at the 735.
OPTT. HWC, HWC, FIBK, HWC, HWC. AI, no. Five. WAMRL.
All right, so while SAFY we've already locked in, let's go down the list. APBO #1 gainer. Looking pretty good. Nice higher lows and nice higher highs. Looks like it's about to form there.
CRL. Turn. Pop. AIEP. OPTT.
Okay, watching the 61 cent APBO. If it wants to continue, it's gotta need a solid break here at 61.
MGRX. OMCL. ASLN. ASTR. TVTX. WAFD, and WG. TBTS. CBRL. NWG. ASLN. CLBT. WAGRS, WAFD. MTA. ELBY. ELBY.
Okay, APBO is trying. We need to get this 61 out of the way. We need to get the 61 to become support.
SNL. XLW. WAFD. ASLN. IVP. CL. ELBY. LN. NGRS.
So we're waiting for 10 EMA bull flag here on APBO right now. 61 is trying to go, but we got to get that confirmation. We got a lot of wicks there right now, so we got to get that nice solid 61 out of the way, and we can see the continuation.
XLW.
You know, LCFY, I think, is still putting up an effort the most out of all these other stocks, so we'll have to keep our eyes on LCFY still.
Oh. XLW.
NQ just absolute bleeder today. I would like to use the same line on LCFY at the 735 again. That's going to be where the VWAP roll is going to be nice at, but I think at this point we made a lower high since the market opening. APBO, we're still waiting for that 61 cent candle break.
No. No.
Okay, so we're getting some hefty drops here on NQ, about to be hitting 500 points down today.
SRG.
So, I mean, I think we're getting to that point where it's got to start doing some little reversals. But if you look at the 5-minute chart, the deviation 2 lines all the way still down at 20,065.
Watching. Singer. PTCL. BSNL. BSNL. BSNL.
Okay, so we're gonna look for that retry at 735 again, just like how we worked down the first play of the morning. 735 for another nice breakout level there. Okay, so now we're getting a reversal pop on NQ a little bit.
LBT. Yep. LX. BCLX. PTCL. SNOA. No. Scan.
Here we go again here on LCFY. Gotta get that break here. And gotta close 735 here.
IGR. That's ACLHES. S. ACLS. CUTR. DF. IGR. Go.
Okay, right now NQ is gonna need to get that first green candle still. Not being able to close the green on the 5-minute is concerning, meaning that the shorts are still taking over. Okay, I'm gonna wait patiently for that 7:35 closing. Right now, it all still wicks into 7:35, so be patient today. On a like today, it's a bearish day in the market, so just being patient and wait for those confirmations.
RS. NCN. TBTX. MTLA. SNOE. M. O. OR. SLRN. I. SOS. G. S. SLRN. S. O. BLCO. FFWM. TBTX. DLNT. BFF. OXSQ. RIN. ACB.
Okay, we finally starting to get a little bit of green candle. We got less than 1 minute here on the 5-minute chart. LCFY still waiting for that 7:35 break, so it's pretty close by. So we'll have to see.
LL. IGR. ACB. X. RNA. GCT. MORM. MGRS. I. BC. FL, NCNO. Shim.
Okay, so no go on 735, still too much rejection resistance there. So right now, folks, it's a tough day in the markets. I mean, with NQ, you can see down as high, just hit 500 points down. So all the buyers or the bull action has been getting killed. So you're literally getting maybe one green candlestick on the 5, and it's just looking like it's heading to the sewers. So we have to be very be mindful of that. It's below all indicators pretty much on the 1 minute chart. And on the 5 minute, I mean, it's trying to see if it can get back above the pink deadline. All right, guys, you got Shim though. On the other hand, we got the 325 play that's coming on up. Hey, accomplished. I wish I can help you on that one, buddy, but honestly, I never had that issue. So if anyone does, feel free to let accomplished know what that is. I've never seen that before personally. So LCFY to the 200 probably will go down to the 500 EMA at 597, $6 area. LCFY is down, so APVO still waiting for that 61 cents, pretty close by. Shim, same thing here. We're waiting for that 325 break. So lots of trades right now. You know, bulls are gonna need a lot more bigger, you know, slap on the ass today because it's a little bit lower on the bull activity here. So
ATH. Turn. SGRY. MGRX. DRMA. AMIX. CTOS. CTOS. TPG. DAS. GRID. ACLX. MGRX. HCAT. Go. FIBK. Dole. SGRY.
All right, guys, we got 5 more minutes till the first hot hour comes to an end.
West northwest. Turn. FL. PLNT. AC. CGC. OGI. ENM. CLBT. ENBT. PMT. Go. EFC. ACMT. Go.
So obviously, guys, with NASDAQ tanking, it means that what? Well, one of the top, stocks like Nvidia, right? They're all the tech stocks on the NASDAQ. They're down. Apple's obviously one of the big companies on the tech side, so they're down. And we're still seeing concerns about the key China units after President Joe Biden reportedly moved to curb China's access to high-end semiconductor chips. And then, you had the former President Donald Trump that touted the phenomenal prospects of tariffs on Chinese goods in an interview with Bloomberg Business published on Tuesday. So, just a bearish outlook today in the markets, taking big hits here. But, just hopefully you guys are keeping yourself aware of that. Right now, AMIX is number one gainer. So we'll keep an eye on AMIX. Yeah, small caps today, just few pops, and that's about it, really. Everything is kind of playing on the safe side. So I'll watch AMIX right now since it's number one gainer, 18 million volume traded, 10.7 million in flow.
Yes. Turn. Take trade right now. PMT. ACB. F5BK. CGC. POM. LIR. NM. 5BK.
I have a line at 155 on AMIX, so if it ever wants to really go, it's gonna need that candle break at 155. So if you are interested, keep your eyes on that 155 candle to close above, and you can look for that continued run here on AMIX, since right now at the moment it is a number one gainer. All right, guys, so we're gonna go and take a 10-minute break, stretch break, and we'll see what we get for our upcoming 11 a.m. rubber dip time. All right, guys. So we got about 20 minutes to 11 a.m. rubber dip time. We got AMIX testing that 155 line. We got to get that candle break here. We are testing at the moment. So let's see if we can get that nice breakout. Shim is trying as well, but let's see here. AMIX 155. Tough, 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 tough. We got to get this out of the way.
CLBT. KS. BLRS. Getty. Opto. Opto. BGC. Shot. OPRT. HUM. JH. CLBT. BLRS.
All right, guys, just not working out today. We got a lot of wicks going on in the market, so things are not looking too hot. As far as you say, you have two questions. You got LCFY. Let's see, LCFY, $8. I mean, I would just use range orders, like a bracket order. So let's pull up LCFY real quick here. Yeah. I mean, the $8. Yeah, I would always have that once you enter eight, like just use eight as your support. So like if you're looking for like a 25-cent pop, have like a 10-cent stop, and then go from there.
PWP, Pro, IPG, BUCI, Pro, NBEI, SF. PLA. West Northwest. Mesa. PLIT. FAGM, ABBC. ATG.
All right, so Shim as well. We got 325 break and then 335. Yeah, tough day in the markets today. Not much going on here. We got about 12 more minutes left.
CPI open.
Shim looking better here. Got 10 more minutes.
Wait. Silo. Hey. FJMH. BC. Yes. Sun. Silo.
Okay, Shim 325. Use that as your support right now. Again, we don't want to see this thing dipping below the 25 EMA.
Oh. CALS. OS. IDKI. MC.
Oh, come on, bro. All right. So Shim 325. Still holding out. Okay. Yeah, we got NQ still dropping, guys. I mean, that 14 EMA is a huge rejection back down. Shim 325, ADTX. Let's go down the list one more time here. 228. It's dead, below VWAP, way below VWAP. WNW, random popper. I'm not interested in that one. AMIX, a lot of resistance at 155. Be careful. All these stocks right now on the gainers list, we're just not seeing a whole lot of volume. You got 140,000 in volume, 58,000, 42,000. So, I think we're gonna have to probably call it a day here, guys, soon here with the Shim last trade.
IGR.
All right, guys. So Shim's just not working out. So it's back down to 50 EMA.
Turn. West northwest. EW. EMT. IDAI. CALX. Turn. CALX. CALX. West northwest. IDAI.
All right, guys. So we're not gonna get a win here on Shim. Looks like at the time we got too much resistance. So hopefully you exited as a 325 cracked. Just didn't work out. We didn't get that bigger PT that we wanted, 2 cents short. So overall, I think the other ones, MLGO, we're gonna have to retract. There was one for VCNX.
AIOE. MORM. IDAI.
All right, guys. So that's that for today. I'm gonna go ahead and retract the rest of the plays. That's not gonna be in play, but watching still the Shim and the AMIX in the afternoon. If we can get some more juice, and the same thing with ADTX, just needs a lot more push. But market is just so bearish today, so I would just take the day off instead of trying to force any more trades. Other than that, guys, looking forward to a Thursday trading session with you guys tomorrow morning. Take care and God bless you all.